Alright, this is a video review for the HXF Wireless Driveway Alert Doorbell Home Security. It's just a quick little cute alarm that lets you know it's motion censored. This is the unit that you plug in. I have it plugged into a power strip right now for this demonstration. And this is the doorbell unit. It takes 3 AAAs. This is also the unit to adhere it to. You just pop that in there. And this here slides onto it. Let's see how well I can do this. It just slides right onto there. Then it's available to put how you want and where you want. This is the mount. You just put screws in and mount it to where you want it. And this makes it so that the unit's flexible. You can turn and rotate it. We're going to set the unit right. Let's see. Better do it that direction before I turn it on. I'm going to move this. As you can tell, it's very sensitive. And I have the volume down. It's got volume control here. I can turn it up. There's turning it down. And it's got 38 different chimes. Oh my, that's a good one. And again, with 38 different chimes, you can have more than one of these units. Let it finish. You can also shut the chime off and just have where it's light also only. With 38 different chimes, you can have more than one of these units and have like one in your driveway, one at your door, one at your back door. I'm going to turn the noise making part back on. Alright, we turned it down. Let it settle down now that it's figured out what it's doing. Now when I run my hand, as you saw, that was not even close to it and it picks up. It's got a very wide range on the sensor itself. I'm going to stay back this way for a second. Alright. See how close we get before it goes off. That's pretty quick. And again, it's got the adjustable mount. 38 different sounds. And this is the HXF Wireless Driveway Alert Doorbell unit. Thank you.